The AG105 transmitter is an automatic communication locating transmitter designed for the generation of the propagating electric oscillations in the traces of the buried utilities using electromagnetic method of the trace search. Transmitter supports two types of connection to the utility: contact with crocodiles and grounding rod, and wireless with built-in inductive antenna. The device consists of information panel on the inner side of the cover, battery holder with the handle in the center for removing, and push button and LED indication panel. AG105 is the best in class of the portable communication locating transmitters with low-powered autonomous power supply. In terms of qualitative characteristics, namely power operating life dimensions, weight. Its weight is not more than 2 kilograms. The ingress protection rating of the casing is IP65, which completely precludes any ingress of the dust or water jets when lidded. The operating temperature range is from -30 to +50 degrees Celsius, with the external battery or mains power supply. The transmitter generates the following frequencies: 512 Hz, 1024 Hz, 8192 Hz, and 32,768 Hz. The transmitter has 3 contact socket with protective cover for external power supply, 5 contact socket for direct connection wires, external antenna, or inductive clamps. This output also has protective cover. Let us see the controls of the transmitter. Digital indicator shows the following values: voltage in U section, relative battery status. I indicator shows the intensity of consumed electric current. Internal parameter fields indicates the following values: power voltage in volts, frequency of generated signal in kilohertz. Indicators of output parameters are shown in red color only in transmission mode. Indication of modes area, antenna mode if enabled, modulation activation and type of generated signal. Numeric field indicates the following parameters: LC, built-in antenna activated, AN, external antenna activated, CO, continuous signal of transmission, PU, pulse signal of transmission, 2F, simultaneous transmission of two frequencies. Let us take a closer look at transmitter control. Power button turns the device on and off. Select button switches the indicated value or mode on the numeric screen. Left-right buttons adjust the numeric value of the selected parameter. Start-stop button enables and stops the transmission of the signal. For more detailed information, please see the legend on the transmitter's cover. Basic set of AG105 transmitter includes the transmitter itself, connecting cable for connection to the grounding on one side and to the utility on the other, external power supply cable used for connecting to external power source, for example vehicle accumulator. Red clamp is positive and black clamp is negative. Grounding rod used for creation of return current through the ground. Magnet used for connection of the wires to metal pipes. Carrying case. Batteries 8 pieces. User manual and passport. AG105 transmitter supports the following accessories which can be supplied separately: network power adapter, 110 to 220 volts, external antenna for better induction in bad conditions, inductive clamps, direct induction of the signal into selected utility. Preparation for the operation. Extract battery compartment by pulling up the handle. Insert 8 batteries and install the compartment back to its place. When the transmitter is turned on, the numeric display indicates the type of used power supply, BT for battery, AC for accumulators. To change the power supply source, hold selected button and press left or right arrow while turning on the transmitter. Then you have to press Start/Stop button to save your setting. Warning: usage of power elements of wrong type can cause automatic shutdown of transmitter or damage of power elements. Before direct connection to the utility, make sure that surveyed utility doesn't carry any voltage. Direct connection method is most effective for location but not always can be used for cables under voltage. In case of location of live cable, use induction connection with built-in or external antenna or inductive clamp. Warning: all connections and disconnections should be made with transmitter turned off. For basic contact connection, operator can use crocodile clamps and grounding rod. Connect one clamp to the utility and the other to grounding rod as far as possible from the located utility. Other end of located utility is strongly advised to ground. Turn on the transmitter. Set the type of transmission with select and arrows buttons. Select continuous mode of transmission. Then switch the transmitter in frequency select mode. Set desired frequency, press start. That's it, your utility is ready to be traced. This is the list of sets which include a G105 transmitter. For more information, please visit our